Director, Engineering, General Manager, Department of Industries and Commerce. And I think he is recently retired and he is coming forward to give the lecture on Royal Charter Day. And each and every meeting we are conducting in the Tamil Nadu State Center Auditorium. And he is the first man to present for any other meeting or any conference or any something like that. Whether it is related to his own field or other field, he is the first person to attend. So that kind of spirit he has, that is why we selected that he may be the right person. He is the right person to give a lecture on Royal Charter Day. And today we are celebrating the Royal Charter Day and very happy to invite all the committee members, council members, and those who are joined, other members also, and the students to join here. And this is the very happiest occasion to invite Dr. E. Bhaskaran for the lecture on Royal Charter Day. Sir, you please your platform now. Before that, I request Radhi to give a brief introduction about our chief guest.
Yes, sir. Dr. E. Bhaskaran is a mechanical engineering from University of Madras. He was working as a joint director, Tamil Nadu Startup and Innovation Mission, Startup Tamil Nadu. He was awarded with more than 1,000 awards. He was achieved, sir.
Really, sir? Is it 1,000 awards, sir? Sir, Bhaskaran, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's very great. I request all the councilmen to give a big clap to him.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I've been to so many colleges, sir. That's why more than 1,000, sir. Yes, sir.
He
Yes,
written
ma'am.
more journals also, sir.
So with this brief introduction, we invite Dr. Bhaskaran, sir, to give a lecture on Royal Charter Day. Please, your platform, sir.
Thank you, sir. I thank Chairman and Madam for introducing me and telling about me. So I am on deputation, sir. Actually, I worked as a GM in Tirupattur, near Vellore. Now I have been transferred to TNSC. So still I'm in job, sir. I'm 56 years old. 4 more years is there. 2000,
oh, great. That's great.
2029, 2029 January is retirement, sir. Here I can stay for 3 years, sir. So this is our sister concern. So our industries department in Tamil Nadu, we have major industries and MSME. Major industries, you have Sipcart, TIPCO, Tidal Park, and Guidance Tamil Nadu, all greater than 125 crore investment. MSME, we have less than 125 crore investment. Under that, we have DIC, District Industry Center. It is available throughout India, from Kashmir till Kanyakumari. So in Salem also, sir knows that there is a DIC. One Mr. Shivakumar is a GM for that. Like that, I was in Tirupattur. So, and we have SIDCO, Small Industries Development Corporation. They are allotting industrial estate. In Salem also, we have Karupur, like that. So we have 127 industrial estate. And then we have EDI, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute. There I worked as an additional director and the joint director. That is also our sister concern, giving training for entrepreneurs on entrepreneurship development training. And we have FAME TN, that is where Mr. Yagambaram sir is also working there. Sir also knows him. After retirement, he is working there. Mr. Yagambaram is additional director. So that FAME TN will look after about buyer-seller meet, foreign collaboration, that and all. And this is stands in Tamil Nadu Startup Innovation Mission. 2023, they have started this. We have a startup policy also. Like Startup India, we have Startup Tamil Nadu. So all whatever I said, all there in this website, MSME tamilnadu.tn.gov.in. So whatever department I said, their function, their schemes, all everything is there in this website. Whatever I'm going to do, PowerPoint presentation also, it is there in this website, MSME Tamil Nadu. So my number is 9444113605. So you can contact me anytime. And I am happy to say that we are going to conduct Global Startup Summit in Coimbatore, Codicea. Everyone knows in Coimbatore, Codicea is very famous. Codicea Hall, 9th and 10th of October. So our Honorable CM is inaugurating that throughout the world, so many startups are coming like Amazon, Google, not only IT, Agnicool from aerospace, IIT Madras. So all state government, many state government also participating, and from America, Australia, UK, Germany, France, so many startups, they are going to give presentation there. I invite all our members to join in that Global Startup Summit. I will post that thing also in our website, in our group, WhatsApp group. So I invite there. So like Startup India, we have Startup Tamil Nadu here. Now I am working in Tamil Nadu Startup Innovation Mission. So that is all for startup. So startup means they have to innovate a product, process or services, and then they have to start an industry. That is startup. Madam, next slide is visible, madam. Next slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my structure of presentation is like this: 10 steps to become an entrepreneur. So first step, an entrepreneur has to do innovation. So innovation, you can actually 8,000 products are there in India. Pen, pencil, car, bike, like that. We have 8,000 products. Day by day, so many innovation is happening. We are number one, having lot of incubator. In Sona College also it is there incubator. IIT Madras, 4 incubators are there. Anna University, KL and Madurai, our Crescent Engineering College. Where everywhere they have an incubator. So in incubator, they are conducting in incubator, they are doing a lot of things, like they can do innovation, and then from that they can develop a product like electrical vehicle or any robotics. In BE mechanical, I did robo with 4 degrees of freedom. But through IIT Madras only I got best award from the government of Tamil Nadu also. Still I am a student only. I am doing Doctor of Science on robotics and AI. I have presented my thesis to International University. I'm waiting for result to get Doctor of Science. So above PhD, I'm just time passing I'm doing. Why I am telling means, see, I have developed a differently abled vehicle. I got patent also for that. This robotics also I have applied for patent. It is still pending. But students, once you have invented, you have to take a patent and then you have to start an industry. That is very important. For that only the startup Tamil Nadu is there. So first step, you have to do start innovation. Innovation in product, process or services, that is very important. A lot of funds that they are giving, Startup India, up to 50 lakhs they are giving. And then we have 11,000 startups in Tamil Nadu. Out of that, 5,500 are women entrepreneurs. So we are proud to say that women startups are there more than 5,500. And the Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation, you know, they are giving a training on non-mudalvan. So 3 are very important. Our food, unna unavu, then our dress material, udukka udai, then construction industry, all area, web designing, laptop service, cell phone service, two-wheeler, all skill training, Tamil Nadu government is giving free of cost. So they can take the training and they are arranging for a campus interview also. And then employment also, the non-mudalvan portal, you can take an employment or self-employment. Self-employment, you can come to us. So this is the first step, and we are giving awareness camp to all students from 8th standard onwards. We are giving a award to students, school students, 8th standard Ilam Innovator Award. Our Honorable CM is giving that. And for college also, we are giving a award on Tamil Nadu Student Innovator Award. And then so many awards we are actually giving to students and all. And then this award is very, very important for them. So what will happen after that, they can go for an industry. So that what we will help you. That is the main thing. And then the second step, we are helping on business model canvas. So once you invented your product, you have to start an industry. You can get loan from bank. You can go to bank. You have to prepare a project report, profit and loss account, balance sheet. All the things are there. We will help you. Third step, you can form proprietor, partner, public limited, private limited, cooperative society. In Salem also, we have cooperative society, Sagoserve. It is more than crore. They are doing a turnover. And in Ooty also, we have Ooty Tea, Coir Society, Leather Society, like that, a lot of societies are there. Fourth step, land and building. So where you will start your industry? We have SITCO, 127 industrial estate. Each and every district, you have a SITCO industrial estate for MSME. SIPCAT is for a large industries. Irungattakote, Gumudi Pundi, Ranipet, these are all SIPCAT. TIDCO is Tidal Park, Tisal Park. So in tier 2 cities also it is coming in, like Madurai, Salem, Coimbatore and all tidal parks are there. They can start industries. This is fourth step. So these numbers are number of days the entrepreneur has to start. Roughly I have written 100 days. So from step 1 to step 2, it will take 5 days. Then again 5 more days for 3, 20 days for 4. So like that. Fifth step, raw material and machinery. See, for example, you are going to do any electrical vehicle or any gear you are going to do. So government is the major purchaser. Government e-market, GEM is a portal where 2 lakh government departments have registered here. So even if the government of India or any state government, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh, they want to buy one pencil also, they will buy only from GEM portal. So here lot of marketing opportunities are there for an MSME. So that is the raw material machinery. They can search here and they can buy the machinery. But if government is the buyer, they can say, tell the address and then they can buy it. And they can register in this portal so that they can get very good order. 25% is reserved for an MSME. Out of that, 4% for SC/ST entrepreneur. Woman entrepreneur, 3% reservation is there. For startup, once you have invented, immediately you can participate in the tender. No experience, nothing. Sixth step, we are giving license and permits like pollution control board, fire services, health department, town and country planning, EB connection, water connection. So 154 clearances according to MSME Act, we are giving free. Within 1 month, you can get all license. Any problem is there, collector is the chairman. Each and every district you have collector, so you can represent with collector. Our GMDIC will help you in getting all the clearances. Seventh step is finance. So a lot of schemes are there. I will explain about how to get this loan from bank. So we have UAGP, PMAGP needs, Annal Ambedkar, PMFMA, Calendar Kaivinai Thittam. These are all latest schemes. Eighth step, we are giving entrepreneur development program. See, first step is skill development. Eighth step, an entrepreneur, first he need finance. So financial management will tell. Then he will employ people, human resource management, then production management, then marketing management. These are all the series of management techniques he has to know. So all we will do in 8th step. 9th step, an entrepreneur has to get income tax registration, GST, employee state insurance, provident fund, pension, all he has to get. All guidance we will give. Final one, you have to take Udyam registration certificate. So this is the free certificate given by Government of India. It's through online you can get it. Then you have to do export. So export also, we have export promotion center. You see in Tirupur, they are exporting all garments, more than 35,000 crore they are exporting. Like the food, they are exporting apparel, agriculture product export development agency, any non-vegetarian means marine product export development agency. Then in Tirupur, we have Tirupur Exporter Association. So the apparel, they are doing export. Like that, we have leather, Council for Leather Export. Even Vaniambadi, Ambur and all, they are exporting leathers. And then Engineering Export Promotion Council, Gem and Jewelry, Spices Board, Kaya Board, Tea Board, Coffee Board, like that. More than 16 export promotion councils are there. That guidance also we are giving through EDI and our Tamil Nadu government. DIC, we have assistant engineer. They are all designated as an export promotion officer. They will help you how to do export. So these are all the 10 steps I am going to cover. First, you have to know what is MSME Act. As you know, micro means the latest definition according to MSME Act. 2.5 crore you should have machinery. Some lathe or CNC machine, VMC machine, all if you add, if it comes to 2.5 crore, it is called as a micro. Turnover is less than 10 crore. In Tamil Nadu, we have 33 lakh industries, 98% are micro only. Small is around 56,000, but 2% roughly. 25 crore and 100 crore. Then medium is less than 125 crore. Run India, Break India, Wheels India, all people will come into this category. Less than 500 crore. Large one, Ashok Leyland, Nokia, TCS. In Ranipet, Tata Motors, they have started. You know, government of Tamil Nadu, we have conducted global investor meet. Recently also, our honorable CM has gone to France, Germany and collected so many investment. Like that, in last year, January, we did global investor meet in all districts. Even in Tirupattur, I have collected more than 560 crore worth about investment. Like that, throughout Tamil Nadu, micro, small, medium, and large, investment is around 1 lakh crore. So yesterday also our CM said in Hosur they are going to do the global investor meet thing. Like that, all investment you can do.
Sir, sorry for
yes,
the interruption. What do you do in the Hosur, sir? What are you going to do?
Hosur, global investor meet is going to come, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
So in Tamil, if you see the structure, Chennai, Coimbatore, Salem, Tirupur, these are all the number of Udyam registration. Udyam is for an MSME. And then Tamil Nadu is number 1 in number of factories. We have 31,517 factories. We should be happy that we are number 1. Persons engaged also 27.74 crore. We are number 1. Greater than 5,000 employees, 255 factories are there. We are number 1. Greater than 1,000, less than 5,000, 1,576 employees are there. So this is the annual survey of industries. So Tamil Nadu is number 1 in all the areas. So for innovation, Tamil Nadu government, we are having innovation voucher program. EDI, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute, where I worked as an additional director and joint director. So we have, I went to Delhi with one Mr. Rajaram IAS. We have coined this innovation voucher program, where a student will get 3 lakhs. For example, in final year BE, he is having anything in his mind on civil engineering, like any new block you want to develop, in mechanical, any electrical vehicle or any gear, latest thing you want to develop in incubator. So we will give money to that Sona College. So Sona College in turn will give to that student. So they can take 3 lakh through online. First they have to apply through online. Then we will call for an interview. IIT Madras, Anna University, so many associations, they will conduct the interview and then they will see the innovation and give sanction 3 lakh. So out of 3 lakh, he can develop a new product and then he can put it in a market. So these are all the areas we have funded: agriculture, assistive technology, biotechnology. So all areas in agriculture, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, we have funded a lot of money to that student. So it is still going on. Roughly 150 innovator, they got around 3.32 crore as on date. And once you have invented, you have to test your product. You have to test it in a lab. And then electrical vehicle means voltmeter, ammeters, a lot of things are there. For testing and marketing, Tamil Nadu government is giving 7 lakh free. So this also a student or MSME or any existing entrepreneur, anyone can get it. So as on date, 436 innovator, we have given 11.25 crore. So these are all the areas we have funded. Still it is going on. You can apply through online. And every district, EDI, we have coordinator. In Salem, Madurai, Coimbatore, in the district, there is an Entrepreneur Development Institute coordinator is there, district coordinator. So any colleges, you can contact them. They are also doing a lot of programs like hackathon, this thing, that thing, and all to a student, and then they will develop. And this is the next is the TNSC, Tamil Nadu Startup Innovation Mission. Here only I am working now as a joint director. Here 10 lakh is given as a fund, seed fund. So any student, if you want to do any research in that area, you can get up to 10 lakh. So left side it is hiding it. Okay. So this is called a TAN seed fund, Tamil Nadu seed fund. From 10 lakh, maximum 50 lakhs you can get it. So even I signed a check in the Honorable CM has given this check to so many startups during 23-24 onwards. 9 startups, they got 45 lakh. Then the second edition, 19 startup, they got 1.9 crore. Third and fourth, 56 startup, 5.6 crore. Actually, 123 startups, they got 13 crore, 13.95. For SCST also, up to 50 lakh is given. Yesterday also our Honorable CM for Honorable Minister for MSME, he has given 3 startups, SCST fund, he has given to 3 startup people, more than crore. And the beauty is for women, rural and green technology like solar or any green technology. So the student or an innovator can get 15 lakhs. Remaining persons, they can get only 10 lakh. But women, rural and green technology, they're eligible for 15 lakhs. So they have to apply in our website startuptn.in, and then after that we will conduct an interview, and then we will allot the fund in the various stages. Initially 5 lakh, then 5 lakh, like that we will do. So if you want to raise money, you know, SME stock exchange is there. In that also, Tamil Nadu government is giving 30 lakh free. So recently in Tirupattur, one Prashara Pickles, they were listed in a Bombay Stock Exchange. They spent nearly 30 lakh. I signed the check and then given 30 lakh to the Prashara Pickles. He's exporting to 46 countries, the Bellerica and then baby corn. Throughout the world, they are exporting more than 300 crore turnover. So like that, 30 lakhs is given as a free. So these are all our earlier year achievements. Then for patent, very important. Students, once you have invented, you have to get patent, like a publication fee, examiner fee, and then application fee. 8,900 is there for MSME or student. For private limited, public limited companies and all, you have to spend around 32,000. So whatever you spend to an advocate or attorney, you can reimburse from us around 3 lakh. But you have to start an entrepreneurship. You should not get patent and keep it in your cupboard or everywhere. You should do any commercial thing, like IIT Madras. Why they are number one means whatever they have invented, they are doing commercialization. So that's why IIT Madras is in NIR of ranking, they are number one. Still a lot of innovations are happening there. So last year 15 MSME we have given 0.09 crore. Trademark is very important for a product. And then GI, geographical indication, Kanjivaram silk saree, Athamadai pai, Kumbakonam Bethalai, and then in Ambur also we have leather products. All are GI is area specific. In that also Tamil Nadu government is giving 50% free. So 25,000 they can get maximum. Tamil Nadu is number one in lot of GI. We have more than 80 GIs we have. Still a lot of pending is there. So now comes to startup. What is startup? So a startup is a private limited company, registered firm, limited liability, like that. Proprietor is not a startup. If you are a single person, you can go as a one director company, and then you can be a startup. So more than it should not exceed 100 crore. This is the Government of India website. Nearly 1,72,000 startups are there. Yesterday I have seen it crossed around 1.8 lakh. So this Bhaskar website is where the lot of facilities what all the Government of India is giving, you can see. So startup means you should work towards innovation, improvement of product, process or services, and you should have a scalable business model with the creation of wealth and employment. So this is definition of startup for Government of India. So what are all the benefit for startup? No one will come for an inspection for 3 years. Hub will be created where you can interact with other startups, and then patent, there is an examiner, they will give patent, and you don't need to pay any money to you. Student also, you can get more than 1 lakh from Government of India for startup. Procurement, I told you, 25% is reserved for an MSME. Startup also, today they have invented, immediately they can go for a tender. Easily they can wind up their company. 10,000 crore are there for a startup. So Government of India is giving 50 lakh as an innovation fund. Credit guarantee fund for startups is there. Up to 10 crore without collateral, they can take loan from bank. Tax exemption on capital gain is there. Tax exemption, 3 years, they no need to pay any tax. So completely exempted. Second step, an entrepreneur has to do a business model canvas, like who is the customer, what relationship is having, what channel is going to do, why customer has to buy your product, USP, what activity you are going to do, what resource you are going to bring, who are all your partner, cost structure, revenue, all through EDA we will teach you freely. Then you have business plan, very important. A student or MSME, you should know what is your profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow, all the thing. This DC, MSME, PMHP, you have 1,056 project reports. So students, you can go through, or any MSME you can go through, and you can develop your own project. No need to go to a chartered engineer, chartered accountant or any other person. If you develop the project report, then bankers will give you free loan. Otherwise, they will put lot of questions on you. So an entrepreneur, he has to do his own project report. Third step, proprietor, we have MSME Act, Partner, Partnership Act, Companies Act, Cooperative Society. I told in Tamil Nadu, our department, we have more than 270 cooperative society. Like already I said, Sago Serve in Salem, Coimbatore, we have OTT. In Chennai, we have Michael Society, where all medical, they are tablets and all they are testing. And we have one more snake catching society, where the snake, from the snake, they're taking venom and then they are developing the medicine. That person also got award from Government of India. More than crore is doing business. So this is third step. Fourth one, where is going to start? An entrepreneur, you can go for a rent agreement. In own land, if you have, you can take loan from bank. SIPCO, we have 127 estate. So we have a beautiful website where each and every estate you can see. For example, in Salem, Karpur means nearby any police station is there or any ambulance is there. All the thing you can see and purchase the land. So now it has crossed more than 135 estate. This is for MSME. SIPCOT is for a large industry, greater than 125 crore. We have 32,000 acres, 21 industrial park, like Irungattukottai, Gumudipundi, Siriseri, Ranipet, Kadalur, TIDCO, Tidal Park, like that. Or you can go for a lease this agreement. So this is an estate exclusively for women. So women only can start an industry here. This is Tirumallai Industry Estate. What is the policy of SIPCO means 30% is reserved for micro industry. For example, SIPCO is developing 100 acre, 30 acre is given for micro. Like that, SIPCOT is developing any industrial estate, 20% is reserved for a MSME. Irungattukottai 1000 acre is there, means 200 acre is for an MSME sector. If you create a new industrial estate, Tamil Nadu government is giving 15 crore free, 50% of the development cost. Like that, we have given one to Madurai and Coimbatore 3. So 528 acre they are developed. The project cost is 76 crore. Government of Tamil Nadu has given 35 crore free. So any entrepreneur or any person with they have 50 acre or 100 acre, they can approach SIPCO office and then they can get this 15 crore. Shifting means in Namakkal, there is a truck body building. So in the center of the Namakkal, that is a city where a lot of congestion is there because they can do the business properly. So what they came to our department and they purchased 50 acre outside the Namakkal. They developed that road, stormwater drainage, and then EB connection. They put one transformer there. All the thing they put it. For that, Tamil Nadu government, we have given 20 crore to them. 75% of development cost. That is a beautiful estate. Even I have seen in Namakkal. So all truck body building, they have shifted to that place. Like that in Metropolitan Tea cluster is there. Virudhunagar, we have textile. Coimbatore, automobile. All these persons, they got 20 crore. So if you are a micro industry, 100% stamp duty is exempted throughout Tamil Nadu. And then 50% stamp duty is there for an industrial estate promoted by SIPCO, government or private estate. For example, Salem, Madurai and all government estate, Gindi, Ambattur and all government. But we are given to SIPCO. SIPCO will do the maintenance cost, everything. Any sale of plot means they will pay to government. So it's only 50% stamp duty. And then we have some industrial backward block. There also 50% stamp duty exemption is there. So last year we are given 0.59 crore to 26 MSME. Fifth step, GEM portal. I told 2 lakh buyers are there. Who is the buyer means Government of India, Army, Navy, Air Force, ICF, Southern Railway, Western Railway, all they will buy only from here. EB. For example, in Salem, we have aerospace engineer. So they will supply to defense or any army people. So this aerospace, they are supplying so many products throughout world. So how they will supply to GEM portal only. So in GEM, they have to quote the rate. And then after that, through tender, they will get the order. 25% is for MSME, 4% for SCST, 3% for women entrepreneur. Startup, no experience, nothing. Immediately they can go for a tender. So GEM portal is a very beautiful thing. 25% reservation, but actual sales is happening around 40%. So whatever Government of India budget, 1000 crore means 400 crore is going to MSME only. Example I am telling. More than 40% they are doing. So GEM portal, they can register and do the business marketing thing. Sixth step, single window portal. I told according to Business Facilitation Act, 154 clearances you can get in this website. Collector is the chairman, building plan approval, EB connection, water collection, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, health department, fire, revenue, inspector of factory, inspector of boiler, like that. Before starting an industry, after starting an industry, all through this portal you can get within 1 month. So 11,000 application received, 9,000 we have finished. Seventh step is very important, where term loan and working capital you can get it from bank. We have a lot of schemes like in government. SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, they are giving loan. TIC is the Tamil Nadu Government Bank. Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation. We have in all branches in Madurai, Coimbatore, Salem, everywhere also we have TIC. They can give 10 crore, 50 crore. This TIC is for MSME as well as large industry. SIDBI is only for an MSME. Like that in TNSC, we are giving venture capital, angel investor. We are connected to so many angel investor. So any innovator or any startup, they want this venture capitalist fund or angel investor fund, they can approach our TNSC. So, share is also one of the way to raise your money. Credit guarantee is there. So we have a lot of schemes like Mudra, Stand Up India, PM Educator. So this is the first scheme of Tamil Nadu DIC. UIGP, Unemployed Youth Employment Generation Program. You can start a business sector, provision store, fancy store, medical store, any business trading. You can get 15 lakh from bank. Tamil Nadu government, we are giving 3.75 lakh free, 25%. So 5% they have to bring. If you are a special category, 5% they have to bring. 15 lakh of 5% is 75,000. Remaining 95,000% banker will give loan. So 75,000 is your investment. We are giving 3.75 lakh. 4.5 lakh is free. Remaining 10.5 lakh only you have to pay for a 5 year or 7 year. So many business sector has developed in, they can do spare parts business, phone sales, whatever bakery, whatever they can do. So special category, they have to bring only 5%. SC, ST, BC, MBC, minority, women, if you are in a forward community also, they have to bring only 5%. Ex-servicemen, different able. Remaining general category, they have to bring 10%. So family income should be 8 lakh, less than that. Age 18 to 45 for OC category. Special category, you can go up to 55 years. Minimum is 8th standard pass. So they have to apply through online. Our GMDIC, Salem, Coimbatore or Madurai, they will conduct the interview. So the bank manager, LDM will be there in that interview. GM is the chairman, convener for that meeting. And then they will scrutinize the application. Two things they will check it. One is CIBIL score. They should have a 720 greater than that. Then quotation they have to do with the GST. These two things they will check it, and then we will see the marketing capacity and then we will sanction the loan. Once the loan is approved there, it will go to bank. Bank will give the sanction order. After that, we are giving 4 days entrepreneur development training through online, EDATM. You no need to come to any training center. By sitting at your place, you can take 4 days training program. I told financial management, marketing, all very good. While I was in EDI, we developed a beautiful software there. So 4 days they can do this training, and then they will get the certificate through online. So this is the website. This lady from Tirupur, she has started Arika Play. Actually, it is only business, but I have given one example I am telling. So 15 lakhs means you should not go up to 15 lakh. Exact project report you should put. Then only banker will give loan. Same thing, Coimbatore, they have started a glass factory. So all are online only. So last year, 3,126 persons, they got 43 crores from our bank. So from application received, task force committee conducted, provisional sanction, EDI, actual sanction, all through online only. Next, we have Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. This is an all India scheme. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, all the places you have this scheme. Age is 18 years. So if you don't have any qualification also, 10 lakh you can get in manufacturing and 5 lakh in service sector. If they have 8th standard, they can get 50 lakh in manufacturing and 20 lakh in service sector. Even Khadi products also they can start a business. So 20 lakh is allowed. So here you can see a woman from Coimbatore, she is doing a grinder here. This is the blanking operation, mechanical engineers, you know. So any person, proprietor, self-help group, all registered with society, all they can start. So subsidy throughout India, this is given. If you are there, a OC community, in 15% urban, Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta and all, you can get 15%. Rural means 25%. Special category already I told, SC, ST, OBC, minority, women. Women, if you are in a forward community also, you will be come under the special category only. So all these people, 25% in urban, Salem, Madurai, Coimbatore, Chennai and all urban area, Bombay, Calcutta. Rural means, so you know, the people will be very less. In the 35% subsidy we are giving. So government of India for 50 lakh, 17.5 lakh is given free. 2.5 lakh they have to invest. So 20 lakh is their money. Remaining 30 lakh only they have to repay for a 5 year or 7 years according to the bank regulation. Second loan also they can get for 1 crore if they take Mudra, UHG and all. In that also 15% subsidy we are giving. If you are starting in a hilly area like Darjeeling, Ooty or Manipur, that area and all, 20% subsidy is given. So KVIC is the nodal agency. The Khadi Village Industries Board and DICs, we are all do both in a rural and urban area. Bankers, they will, any bank they can contact. Coir Board is also involved in this. So all through online only, you can apply through online. Once you apply through online, it will go to bank. Bank will see the project report, everything. Then they will arrange for a 10 days training program. Training program is very excellent, where only an entrepreneur will take classes for a entrepreneur, not a professors like that. Because chartered accountant only, you know what is how to do the financial part. Marketing person like that. This is a very good training given by government of India. So you after the training is over, the certificate will come by through your email. Then you have to go to bank. Bank will sanction the loan. Subsidy will be credited to your account. Then they can start an industry. Same process, no into nothing. So your project report should be very good with the GST number and the CIBIL score. So this is the website. It is in Mumbai. So this is an example where in Salem they have started a manufacturing of chapel, 10 lakh investment. Government of India, they have given 3.5 lakh free. So you see out of 10 lakh, they have created a lot of infrastructure. They are manufacturing chapel in Salem. Like that in Vellore, they have started nail and oil filter. 5 lakh is an investment. 1.75 lakh is a subsidy amount. See, you can see here in the left side, 1056 project reports are available. So they can apply through online. A beauty is there means there is an Excel sheet where all the data you can feed it, land, building, machinery, working capital, your how many employees, everything you can feed in an Excel sheet. Next sheet DPR will come automatically. Debt to service coverage ratio, profit and loss account, balance sheet, DSR, break even point, whatever an chartered accountant has to do, this website will do it for you. So no need to give any money to a chartered accountant, where all project you should do, and an entrepreneur should know what is break even point, everything. So it's a very good Excel sheet. They can feed all the data here, and then training also through online. Second loan also they can get 1 crore with a 15 to 20% subsidy. Third scheme is a NEEDS, New Entrepreneur Come Enterprise Development Scheme. This is for a first generation entrepreneur. In his family, he is the first man who is going to start an industry. He can start manufacturing and services. Minimum 10 lakh, maximum 5 crore. So you can start a rice mill, solar panel, whatever invention you do, you can do. 15 days training program is given. So minimum is 12 standard. Here they have to apply through online. Age is 21 to 55 for special category. OC 45, same process. 5% they have to bring, remaining banker will do loan. 5% if they don't have money, for example, 1 crore is an investment. They have to invest 5 lakh. If they don't have 5 lakh, they are having land worth about 5 lakh. That also they can give as an investment. So that is the margin money or promoter contribution they can give. Subsidy part, Tamil Nadu government, we are giving 75 lakh free. So if they can put up to 5 crore, 25% is free. So interest subsidy means whatever they are paying to bank, 3% is reimbursed. For example, bank is charging 10%, 3% will reimburse. SC, ST, differently able to 10% additional subsidy they will get it. So procedure is they have to apply through online. our GM DAC and the district collector is the chairman. So collector will conduct the interview. After that, it will go to bank. Bank will see the place and then they will sanction the loan. They have to attend 15 days entrepreneur development program. So all through online only. After that, they will give the certificate. You have to give to the bank. Bank will send the check to the machinery supplier. Machine will come to the place. They can start the industry. So this is the procedure. So this person, he has started a printing work. He got 1.36 crore loan. See, he is eligible for 5 crore. He has not bought any car, fridge, bike and all. So whatever he need, he has bought it. That is 1.36 crore. 25 lakh subsidy we are given free. So this woman entrepreneur from Kanyakumari district, she got 67 lakh 45,000. So here also she is eligible for 5 crore, but she has not taken 5 crore. So 67 crore she has taken. Kanyakumari GM, he has given 15.47 lakh free. So all through online only, last year 932 units, they got 87 crore as a subsidy. So everywhere through online. Then we have Prime Minister formalization of micro food processing. Last year, Tamil Nadu has got award from President. So our Secretary MSME, she went to Delhi. We got best award. Why means 15,232 entrepreneur, they got started an industry on food sector. Nearly 315 crore we have given as a subsidy. So here, maximum 1 crore they can start. 10% is the contribution, 90% bankers loan, 35% is subsidy we are giving. So maximum 10 lakh subsidy they can get it. For example, in Tirupur, they have started that cashew nut and then wood pressed oil and then pasta, vermicelli. One Muslim entrepreneur, she has started that, and then a bakery and then cake, all whatever food item is there, all they can start it throughout India. So this is one more scheme, very best scheme. Here also 3 days entrepreneur development training we are giving free. Then we have Annal Ambedkar Business Championship Scheme. This is only for an SEST. Here SEST 65% banker will give loan, 35% Tamil Nadu government is giving subsidy. So an SEST entrepreneur, you no need to bring any money. 6% interest subsidy also we are giving. Out of 10%, 6% is given free. Only 4% they have to repay. So this is the best scheme for Annal Ambedkar. Our Honorable CM also has given a lot of benefits to in Chennai, while in Kalavanarangam. So all area, trading, service, manufacturing, whatever area they can start. Even if they are existing entrepreneur, if they are doing diversification, expansion, all are eligible for this. So last year, 3,166 units, they got subsidy around 289 crore. So this is in Tamil. Now, and we have Kalanar Kaivini Thittam. So Government of India, you have Vishwakarma scheme. That is only for the person from the same community, but that is eradicated the year. Here, the scheme is what are they doing in your hand? For example, carpenter, electrician, masonry. So painting, all whatever they are doing in your hand, all are they are doing part jewelry making, like weaving, embroidery, hairdressing, and then leather handicrafts, traditional textile, washing, ironing. So instrument also they can manufacture like veena, and then tribal harvest, bamboo, tailoring. Tailoring and woman entrepreneur, we will teach you about how to do embroidery and then boutique. So woman, she will know how to do chudidar like that. But this is upgraded training. Even a garland maker also will give training, advanced training. She may do garland and sell it in local places, but how to do in a mandabam or in a car, any bridegroom. So all these places like pottery, everything. Here loan is 3 lakh. Subsidy, Tamil Nadu government is giving 50,000 through DIC, 5% interest subvention. Here skill training is given 6 days. So we have a labor department, they are giving on carpentry, masonry and all. We have Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation, they are giving for other areas. So what all the training they wanted, all are free, only 6 days. Age is above 35 years and they should have 5-year experience. So last year, 42,000 application we got it. We have recommended 23,607 application to bank. 8,552 has got sanctioned. 32 crore we have given sanctioned as a loan. So these are all the major 6 schemes, and recently woman entrepreneur scheme also they have launched. So it will come to existence shortly. And for trust sector, we are giving 1.5 crore free. So any new industry or apart from this 6 scheme, if they are starting means they can get it. Like the industry backward block also, they can get 1.5 crore free. Micro industry 25 lakh is given as a free. And then if you scale up the business again 25 lakh, you can get it. Additional capital subsidy 5 lakh, you can get it. If you are a woman, SC, ST, different abled and transgender, again they can get 5 lakhs. If they promote cleaner and environment technology, any missionary they buy it, again, Tamil Nadu government is giving 10 lakh. So these are all the thrust sector, sunrise sector. If they start anywhere in Tamil Nadu government is giving 25% state capital subsidy. So you can see electrical, electronic, leather, auto parts, drug, solar, gold, diamond. They have to do export, pollution control, sports, civil engineering material, ready-made garment, food, plastic, rubber, alternate plastic, electrical vehicle, medical devices, technical textile, aerospace, so electronic, whatever you pinpoint all persons, whatever machinery they buy, even they import from a Germany or Japan also, they can get 25% subsidy. So last year, 328 crore is given to 2,389 MSMEs. Power subsidy 20% is given to a micro industry. So whatever they have repaid to electricity board, they can submit their bill to our DIC. So GM will sanction. Last year 609 MSME, they got 5.46 crore. Upgradation, today they are having one machinery. Tomorrow they want to upgrade. They have to take it from Germany or Japan means, even if they import also 5% interest subsidy we are giving. So last year 7.292 crore is given to 897 MSME. Credit guarantee means without any collateral, they can take loan from bank. So for that also, Tamil Nadu government is giving 20 lakh free interest subsidy. So this is from Kanyakumari, they are doing fish net, 49 lakh they have invested, 10 lakh we have given free. Through our bakery, 40 lakh, 8 lakh they have got free. So energy audit, any MSME, they want to do energy audit for the machinery, 1 lakh is given to an auditor. So the auditor will tell they have to put some equipment so that the energy cost will get reduced. So in that, out of 20 lakh, 10 lakh Tamil Nadu government is giving free to that MSME. So 50% we are reimbursing. So last year 210 MSME, they got 2.05 crore. Quality certificate is very important. You know, ISO, Z, a lot of things are there. Whatever they take, 100% will reimburse. So the consultant, whoever do the quality certification, and if they want to take from Germany, Japan or America also, 10 lakh is given as a free. So last year 295 MSMEs, they got 3.49 crore. So Mudra loan is there, everyone knows. We have Sishu, Kishore, Tarun. But bankers, they won't give any subsidy for this. What my suggestion is, if they go for a government scheme, at least they can get 25% subsidy. So that is the beauty of the Mudra scheme. Like that, we have Stand Up India. Here also 1 crore is given as a loan, 25, but without any subsidy. So SC, ST, women, they can get up to 1 crore without subsidy. What they can do, they can combine with our government scheme so that they can get subsidy. Like that, Make in India, we have a lot of things. And then TIC for electrical vehicle charging station, 2.5 lakh is given as a term loan. Additionally, for payroll subsidy, so employee provident fund is very important. If you have 20 employee in your company, 24,000 per employee is given free. So like that, 3-year Tamil Nadu government is giving a subsidy. Last year, 99 MSME, they got 2.16 crore. So like that, electrical vehicle component in manufacturing also 10 lakh is given as a free. CGT MSME, I told you, up to 10 crore without collateral. So our Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, she has upgraded from 5 crore to 10 crore. So up to 10 crore without collateral, they can take loan from bank. So these are all other agencies who are going to give loan. You have a lot of agencies are there for giving loan. 8th step, you have to take training. UIGP 4 days, PMIGP 10 days, NEETS, Andal Ambedkar 15 days, and then Kalainer Kaivani Thittam 6 days, and then Prime Minister Food Processing, you have 3 days. Like that, all entrepreneurship training, we will give free. 9th step, they have to take income tax, GST, Factory Act, they have to know labor laws, Minimum Wages Act, and then what woman employee means, they have to work only for in 8 hours, maternity leave, all acts you have to know, employee state insurance, provident fund, pension. So all help we will do. Final Udyam registration. So this is a certificate given by Government of India free of cost. No need to pay any amount. Once you have started your business, that auspicious day you can take certificate. So now you have started your industry, then you have to do marketing. You have Flipkart, Amazon, so many websites are there. Like the MSME Mart is there, and then here they can put their product. It's a Government of India. They're giving lot of facility for this. Naukri and Sampar, they can get employment. So any employee or employer, they can put their job opportunities and they can get this. So finally, export I have to do. I told we have India Trade Portal, all Export Promotion Council like Engineering Export Promotion Council, Council for Leather Export, Apparel Export Promotion Council, Agriculture, Marine, Gem and Jewelry, Spices, Kaya, Coffee, Tea. So many products are there. More than 16 Export Promotion Councils are there. They can register there. Our DIC will help you how to do registration. And Government of India, we have a MSME DFO office. They are giving free training on export promotion. So whatever export promotion also they wanted, they can get free training. Some small amount paid. Some agencies they are giving free also. This PO is for an exhibition. For example, a food exhibition will happen in Dubai every February, or any Germany or Japan. If they want to participate in that exhibition, Government of India is giving a lot of things free. Flight charges, staying charge, hall rent, like that and all. So they can, I can go and talk for 3 hours like that. A lot of schemes are there. Since the time given is only 1 hour, so I have to finish it before that. So these are all the schemes given by Government of India as well as Government of Tamil Nadu. So I request you can go to this MSME Tamil Nadu website and you see all our DIC, SITCO, SIPCA, and then TANSIM, and then FAME-TN, EDI. Like that, we have a lot of organization. TANSI is also there. So I thank the secretary, chairman, and secretary for giving me this opportunity. So any questions also I can take it.
Participants, you have any questions? Dr. Bhaskaran sir clearly explained about the startup and other business and what are the schemes available with the government and what are the subsidies expected. All those things clearly explained. If any clarifications or any, you want to get any input from, you can directly contact Dr. Bhaskaran sir. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I think no clarification, no issues. ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
So later
Students
they
are
can
there?
send me WhatsApp also, sir.
Yeah, you can send your queries to WhatsApp also.
Yes, sir.
Google இருக்கிறீங்களா? Google?
Sir, yes, sir. Can you hear
Yeah,
me, sir?
you can go for vote of thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. So I think today we have already celebrated our World Saturday from our IA Community Center. So with this respect, I would like to thank first of all our chairman, who is always like highly dynamic and bringing most of the speakers. And today we had a wonderful speaker. I think almost for 2 hours, 1 hour we had a very great session from our Dr. Bhaskaran sir, who is also like a very bright corporate members for any event. Sir will be the persons who will be given our presence at IIA TNSC. So I thank our chairman and the chief guest today. Thank you so much, sir. Even though I think you have a lot of schedule as you are a part of the government of Tamil Nadu, but you have given a time for our IIA members as well as for the student community to address the various schemes which the Tamil Nadu government has brought. So thank you, sir, for joining here. And I also thanks to our all the committee members who have been joined and also like made their presence to have the Royal Saturday celebration. Since we know, I think IIA is only society in India, we have a Royal Saturday which is given during the British period. So we are all have to be proud that being an IIA is always having a top collar notch. I also extend my thanks to all the professors and the students who have been joined and the council members and the past chairman and past organizing secretary, honorary secretary who has also been in the part of the program. So I extend my thanks to our office staff, like Ravi and Salita madam, who also been a part to make this program grand success. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.